Pad Kra Pao, one of the most classic Thai dishes. These are the only ingredients you need to cut for this dish, but if you're feeling baldy, try this. Before cutting, let's make the sauce first. All we need is some sugar, dark soy sauce, fish sauce, and oyster sauce. Mix until the sugar is dissolved. Add some water if it helps. Once you're done, set it aside and we'll begin with the spices. 4 cloves of garlic, 1 shallot, into the blender and grind. Now, the chili. Slice the chili diagonally into rings. Once you're done slicing, set it aside and we're ready to cook. We'll add some oil to fragrant the spices. Once the pan is preheated, add all the spices you just caught, including the chilies. Once you can smell the spices, add the minced meat in. Stir them quickly over high heat to break them into parts. This is going to take some time, so be patient. Once the meat has changed color and loosened up, add in the sauce. So you will need to continue to stir until the water is reduced and the color is darkening. Once you're done, add in the basils. Give it a few stir and it's done. Take our plate of long grain rice and we'll start plating it. It is common to pair this dish with a fried egg. Leave a comment to let me know what you'd like to cook next. Enjoy!